here from Hedgehog's Homestead. Today I just thought I'd show you a couple of cool things about potatoes. You can plant potatoes straight out of your pantry. Now these were potatoes in my pantry, and these are probably gone a little too far. If I put this in the ground, it would shoot out those plants rather quickly, and you would get potatoes from this. But if I cut it up, I can spread it out over a bed and make more. You want your potato starts to be about the size of a small egg, 2 ounces about there. And so I have 3 eyes on this potato, so I can cut this potato into 3 individual sizes. Here, again, I'm trying to get as close to that ounces as possible. And what I'm going to do is skin the open area exposed and let that dry and heal over. And it looks like it kind of has a scab on it. That's when you can plant it in the ground. There is still plenty of time to plant potato. Now, I'm just going to do this one as well, about a 2 ounce. I've never done that, so that's kind of an experiment. But I wanted to save these other pieces of potatoes to put around my green beans and stuff outside, because if you have roly-polies, and a bad problem with roly-polies, if you set out like this, next to your green beans are your little starts that are just starting to come up and get out of the ground. The roly-polies will go after the potato wedge instead of your green bean starts, or just your little starts, period. So we're going to save those as roly-poly traps. Okay, and then I'm going to cut this one, and that's about the size of my 2 ounce egg, and we're going to put that there too. And then again, save the rest of this. Either I can eat the rest of this, right? I still have some potatoes. Either I can eat, or I can feed the roly-polies. Now this one has several eyes on it, but can still really only make 3. You could split this one in half here, like this. Basically splitting this one in between the eyes, just like so. And then I can cut this piece off here. Then I have a piece there. Now when I plant these in the ground, I'm going to put them with the eye up. And you want to put it about 4 inches deep. Here with an eye. It doesn't matter. If your eyes get long greeny things, they aren't ideal for planting, but you can do it. So that one's going to go there. I have another little eye right here. That one can go in. That one can go in as soon as these dry up, guys. And then I have one more eye here. About the size of an egg there. And so that one can go in there too. Okay, the problem with buying or taking potatoes out of your pantry is you have no idea if they are determinate or not determinate. So a determinate potato is only going to grow to a certain size and it's going to stop. An indeterminate is the potato that you need to heal over and keep on healing over, and it gives you more yield. So that's the indeterminate potatoes. I have no idea if these are or not. Some of them you can tell because they do get little hairs on the roots, just like tomatoes do, but not all of them. So that's that. That's how I'm going to save those. In a couple of days, we'll go out and plant these. Now, when I plant a nice fertilizer in there, I'm going to put some probably just manure, and then a nice like starter fertilizer to get them going. Now, after that, about a week later, and probably I'm going to add what I have organic bananas here. And the reason why I want to use organic bananas is because I know that they're not sprayed with anything. I'm going to peel a bunch of bananas, and then I'm going to soak them for about a week, and then I'm going to pour that over my potato, okay? Because potatoes, like all fruits, tomatoes, peppers, a lot of those plants really like their potassium. So you want to get some potassium, and soaking these banana peels will give you that potassium. You can also use kale, or you look for any kind of fertilizer that has a good amount of potassium in it to fertilize. Making your banana potassium solution, you're going to probably put 4 or 3 peels of bananas in there. You let them sit for at least 4 days, put a top on it, okay guys? And that should work for your potassium for your potatoes, tomatoes, peppers really love it. It really helps with the growth of the plant with the peppers as well as the development of the fruit. Here's my green bean seedlings, and I don't want them eaten up by roly-poly, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna drop some potatoes out here, and see, like areas where it's damaged like that, that's from roly-polies. So we're gonna just drop that there, and they will go after the potatoes. And then once they're covered in roly-polies, you can pick them up and feed them to the chickens. God bless. We'll see you next time here on Hedgehog's Homestead. Bye.